morning! Good morning guys! Ang aga namin and parang pangalawang araw ko nang nag-good morning ako, nasa car kami. So today is Saturday. Ito yung first dance lesson ni Holly. And kagabi tinext ko kasi wala akong naano sa kanila, natanggap na email or message. So naglakas loob lang ako na mag-message sa FB page nila. And after 2 hours nag-reply. Sabi niya nga, ngayon daw yung start pag Saturday. Kasi meron ding Wednesday. And then sabi sa akin ni Jan, palitan ko raw yung yung schedule ni Holly kasi para during weekends, nasa Adelaide kami. Are you excited, Baba? Sobrang excited siya. Kahit ang daddy niya, kasi yung sapatos ni Holly na Adidas, madumi. And what daddy did to Holly's shoes, kuya? Okay, lininis niya talaga, pinaputi niya. And excited siya.
Huh? Help Holly?
What?
Do a dance.
No, there's a teacher there to help Holly to dance.
Is she all by herself?
Ang tawag ay Kinda Kids. It's parang mix of hip-hop, jazz, parang ganon. Ano siya, 9:30 to 10:15. Then afternoon, right after talaga nun, 10:15 to 11 something is ballet. So, hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ni Holly na gawin yan dalawa. Kasi mayroon din nga, nabanggit ko na ata sa inyo, na mayroon din na Wednesday, same dance, yung Kinda Kids. Pero naman yun, after school, mga 4:30. So, tingnan ko, kung wala naman silang, yun, Zach?
Why can Holly wear her ballet shoes?
That one was big. Kasi meron si Holly ballet shoes, pero padala sa akin ng friend ko. Malaki pa kay Holly. So, tingnan natin. I think they're gonna sell something there. Siguro mayroon silang mga bentang damit yan sa studio nila. So, tingnan natin kung mayroon magkasya kay Holly. Kasi ang gamit niya yung Adidas na puti. Yung Superstar ba yun? So, yung magdadrive mo. And alam niyo ba, ang lakas ng ulang kagabi. Did you hear the rain last night?
I like that at 7.
It was raining, right? It's really hard. And ngayon, maulan. And naka-jacket kami. Ay, si Sakindi. Si Kuya naka-long sleeve. Si Holly naka-jacket. Kasi sobrang, hindi naman sobrang maulan. Pero malamig din at the same time. Which is, we need rain dito sa Australia ngayon. And yung tank, ang saya ni Jan kasi pareho na puno. Kasi nag-overflow na yung tubig. What's that, kuya? And si Sak, meron akong form. Di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo? Meron akong form para kay Sak. Ayaw niya. Sak, do you wanna go dancing?
No.
You watch first and you tell me after, okay? You have to watch. Kasi ang mentality niya, akala niya ang dancing is for what? For girls lang. You will see a lot of kids there, Sak. You will enjoy it. I'm telling you. Sana marami. Nakita ko lang naman sa mga pictures. Kasi marami. Ha? What's that?
I hate being on stage.
It's not on the stage.
Well, heaps of people watching.
No, it's only parents. And I'm not sure. Hindi ko rin alam kung doon din kami sa loob ng studio or sila lang. So, hindi ko rin alam kung kakapag-vlog ako doon. Pero hiningi yung consent na may isa sa inka na pwede siyang ipakita sa social media, ganon. So, we'll see. Baka pwede. Hindi ko rin ang bahala na. Kasi syempre, meron din ng mga parents na sensitive dyan. So, hindi ko alam. So, magdadrive lang muna ako. And then, after pala ng dancing, where we going after dancing? Coles. Mag-grocery kami guys kasi wala na talaga kami pagkain. Si Jan, si Jan nga namili na siya ng gatas sa sa shop. Ano yun sa?
Can we go to Kmart?
What for?
We want the hot dog.
Kmart. Sushi. Sige.
Can I have a hot dog?
Yes, we can. Smushy. Yung smushy. Yes, okay. Mag-drive muna ako guys. And ang lakas na naman ng ulan. Yep. One day I will, Baba. One day I will. Gusto niya ako magluto ng sushi. Gusto niya kasi yung malaki. You want the big one? I made for you before?
Yeah, that was a big one.
Yeah, that was the big sushi, sabi niya. So mag-drive muna ako guys. Ang lakas ng ulan. And napaka-gloomy na weather.
Cause they're all in fear of you. Knowing what they're harboring. Knowing what they'll do.
Nandito na kami. Ayan yung ating magda-dance lesson. Baba, come on. And ayan yung mga kuya. Ayaw sana nilang sumama. Kaso si Jan busy. Gusto nila magpaiwan sa bahay. Dito yung ano guys. Oh. Dito yung studio. Oh. Ayan, hype. Come on, let's go. Baba. What's your sister? Dala niya pa talaga yung ano niya.
Ikaw?
Yeah. Baba. Huh? Hindi natin mapapanood si Holly kasi hindi rin kami pwedeng pumasok doon sa studio mismo. Pero sabi ng babae, dito raw, may window dito. Pwede raw silipin. So, sisilip tayo dyan mamaya. Last 5 minutes ng class, pwede pala kaming manood. Ayan, o, nakalagay. Ayan siya.
I just need a game. I just need my name. But I won't say I don't want to. I don't wanna feel the rush. Already advertised. We're doing what we're meant to. I'm scared with you, but I'm there with you. Ain't no holding back now, soulless. I can't to the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to love him. That I can't to the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to love him.
Naboboard na silang dalawa, oh. And may isa pang class si Holly, yung ballet class.
I can't eat, I can't sleep. So much hate in the world I see. Where's the love for a girl like me? I'm fresh, I jib like a pearl in the sea. Ooh, yeah, back to the vibes. Chillin' the low, keeping my head high. Get to the love and don't waste time. No back and forth, living my best life. Life is out so magical. You look like your flame on down. Dance and smile, have a good time. We gon' glow and shine. So much love, it'll blow your mind. Sing your song like you know the rhymes.
To the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to love him. That I can't. To the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to love him.
Hindi na kami pumasok kasi 5 minutes na lang. Tapos na sila. Yes. Holly, you're done, come on. Did you have fun? Huh? You have another one. Tingnan mo, dala-dala niya yung kanyang shoes, tsaka jacket. You have another. Meron sila ditong ballet shoes. Ayan. $20. Mamaya, ipatry natin kay Holly. Yeah, I know. That one is so small. For sure, meron siya dyan na size. And meron dito na, ano to, parang pang jazz. Jazz, nakalagay, jazz shoes.
Did you have that one?
No, I don't. Dami pang energy ni Holly. Tingnan nyo. Ito na yung ballet class. Enjoy na enjoy siya, oh. Hindi ko lang makikita nyo kasi may screen to, eh. Kaya medyo blurry. Ayan siya. Dito lang kami nakaupo. Naghihintay kay Holly. And eto, what did you say before? Where do you wanna go after this?
I'm not.
Why?
I'm hungry.
Hungry. Gusto nilang kumain ng Kuya, what do you want? Hot dog? And you?
So with mustard and cheese.
Tapos na yung class niya. Come on, Baba. I'm gonna get your shoes over there.
Very good.
Okay, let's go. Put your shoes. Did you have fun? Ha? Walang size si Holly nung shoes na yun. So, baka next week, i-check ulit natin. Baka magkaroon na siyang size niya. Come on. Wow, show your sticker. Yeah. Okay, let's go. How to do that, Zach? Show me. How to do it? Nauhaw yung dancer natin. Come on. Are you gonna come back next week, Baba? Yung next destination namin is we're going to Kmart kasi gutom na sila. Doon na kami magla-lunch. Pero dan muna ako sa toaster. Pa-check ko yung yung phone. Bakit wala akong internet? Yes?
Last time when we were
Si Kuya naglalagay ng
when you were eating
tayo sa Telstra muna. Come in here. Ang haba ng pila ha. Tapos lang namin siguro siguro mga 45 minutes kami sa sa Telstra. Yes, na we're going to Kmart na. Gutom na sila. Yeah, hot dog with mustard and sauce. Mustard is no cheese?
Yes.
With cheese?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Tayo yung parking namin kasi maraming tao. Wala kami dun sa kung saan pwede mag-park na may car seat ang bata or may pram. Although, dito kami sa malayo. Come on, Baba! Sana wag umulan. Hurry up! Careful. Okay, Kuya, hold your sister, please. Let's go. This way. Okay, come on, Zachary. Careful, ha? Watch for the car, okay? Stop. She can walk, Kuya. Just hold her hands. She can walk, Kuya. Walk. No running, Zach. Hold your sister, Zachary. Okay, let's go. Kain muna kami sa
Kmart.
Kmart. Gutom na sa... We're gonna eat where, Kuya?
Foodcourt.
Foodcourt. Malapit sa Kmart. Baby parents room. Maghugas muna sila ng kamay. Dito kami sa parents room. Okay, Saki. Wash your hands properly, please. Wait, Holly. Wait, Holly. Okay, that's it. Come on. Holly, come on, Papa. Come on. Ito yung drinks na gusto nila. Yung Boost. Ha? Mango? Okay. How about you, Kusak? Mango?
What's that?
Squishy.
Do you know what you had? That Milo one?
Milo? I don't think Milo. Binigyan niya kami, ito yung kutsela. Parang raffle siya. Pag nanalo ka, free yung ano mo, fly mo papuntang LA. Yes? Ha?
I'm not flying. Old West Coast.
No, we're not. Sa California, hindi na kayo magpa-fly, sabi ni Kuya. We're not, Kuya. It's too expensive. Gusto niya raw tatlo. Sabi ko, dalawa lang kasi baka hindi niya naman maubos. And another one for chicken.
Yep.
Si Holly gusto niya rin chicken. Wait, Baba.
Which chicken? 100
Yeah.
Set.
Yeah. And si Kuya. And bumalik kami dito kasi hindi pa tapos gawin yung kanyang drinks. Okay, what you guys say?
You're welcome.
Thank you, Baba. Oh, what you guys say to the lady? Thank you.
Thanks, Chona.
Thank you. Bye. Eto kay Kuya, ayaw niya sa ganung container. Pareho lang naman yung price. Pero sa ni Kuya, gusto niya regular. Kuya,
Thank you.
so welcome. Sit down, Baba. Wait, Sak, for your, Kuya, wait for your hot dog. And sa akin, kumuha ko ng kebab. Yeah. Careful, ha? Chicken, that's chicken. Yung sa amin ni Kuya, wala pa ako. Yung in order to is kebab. Lamb kebab. Kuya! Ayan yung hotdog ni Kuya. Si Sak, naubos niya na yung isang sushi niya and sharing sila. And eto, oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Eto yung sa akin, oh. Lamb kebab. And eto nga, bumili ako ng extra chips with bacon and cheese, yeah. Kasi sobrang gutom na raw sila. Oh my
It also very hard to say that you're fine when you're
Mom, this is good.
The cheese? Parang saga, oh. Hala, naubos mo na rin, Holly. Naubos niya na rin yung isa. Muna kami, guys. Sinasabi si Sak. What did you say?
I remember one of that.
Ha? Sabi niya sana ito rin daw ang kinuha niya. Nakalimutan niya daw kasi.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Careful. Gusto niya raw to. Ito yung ginger. Yeah, pink ginger. Ha?
Make my stronger.
Make her stronger. Okay, buksan ko nga to. Ali.
They're very good. Make it for me.
Okay.
It's not spicy.
It's not spicy. Kasi ito nga yung ginger. Ito, do you want this one? The wasabi? That's spicy. Kung gusto niyo yung ginger. You want this? No, thank you. Very, very spicy. Yung lamb kebab, ayan yung laman niya. And buti na lang malaki yung kinuha ko kasi sila nagsikagatan. You like this, Kuya? Zach? Ha? Si Sak tapos na. Oh, ubos na yung pesa ko. Si Holly, konti na lang. Kalahati pa. Yeah. Ubos na ni Holly. What's that, Sak? Si Sak gusto niya pag go, get it. Oh no. Gusto pa ni Sak. Here, Sak, oh. Ubos talaga ni Holly yung dalawang sushi. Kasi hinihingi ni Sak yung yun. Ayaw niyang ibigay. Ayaw niyang ibigay. Finish. Si Kuya, oh. Wala na. Naubos na rin ni Kuya yung hotdog. Si Sak. Are you full, Sak? Yeah. Eto, si Kuya konti lang yung kinain niya. Ando na yung pagkain ko sa kanya. Good job, Kuya. Malakas ka na si Kuya kumain. Is your hotdog finished? Yeah? Have a drink, Baba. Si Sacha kasi Holly nandun sa racket. Ayan, no? Diyan, nandun sila. And si Kuya is still going. Grabe siya, oh. Pati mga gulay-gulay dyan, kinakain ni Kuya. Sarap, Kuya? Ayan na si Sacha. Where's Holly? That's that? Sushi. Na hotdog. Oh, next time daw. Pag bumalik kami dito, yan na rin daw ang i-order niya, hindi na hotdog. Wendy's yung ano, yung hotdog ni Kuya. Akala ko tapos na siya, hindi pa pala. Nagdi-drip kasi yung sauce, kaya ganyan. Ha? Okay, here. Gustong gusto niya yung lettuce. Siya na lang hinihintay namin. Ako hindi ko lang kayang maubos to. Oh. Yung dalawa, si Sasha kasi Holly, ubos talaga yung kanila. At pati kay Kuya yung hotdog. Inuubos niya lang yung food ko. Oh. Sarap ni Kuyang kumain talaga. Ayan na si Sa. Tinutulungan niya na. Ayaw niya. Come on, Baba. We're almost done. Matapos na si Kuya. Oh. Hi. Sulit yung bayad natin, Kuya. Good boy. Wipe your face. Your mouth, please. Let's clean up. Sak, you know what to do next after we eat here? Linis lang kami. That one, wipe that one, love. And that one. Okay, malinis na siya. Put this in the bin. Okay. Careful. Ayan, malinis na yung table namin. Wash your hands, Baba. Dito yung mag-Kuya. Let's go. Yeah, we're going grocery, Kuya. No? Come on, let's go. Kuya, let's go. No, we don't have cash, Baba.